Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I wanted to do was put together a video for you on what my favorite hair care products are at the moment. So I know we just did a hair tutorial recently on Friday, but I thought this would kind of go hand in hand with that since I didn't get too much into detail with products and things that I had used before I had done the style. So if you guys are interested in seeing what my top hair care products are, then please keep on watching. Right now, I still feel like I'm on the hunt for like my favorite shampoo and conditioner. So I really don't have a set shampoo and conditioner that I use. I have about 3 to 4 different sets of shampoos and conditioners that I like rotate through right now. But I do love the one that I had done the video on, the review video for you guys that I had received from Influencer. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to go check that out, but that's probably my all-time favorite one that I use right now, and I've been using that every time I wash my hair recently. So the next thing that I want to talk about is a product I do use in the shower. It is my Lanza Healing Oil Intense Hair Mask, and it looks just like this. And I will show you guys the product inside. It just opens up like this, and then this is the mask. I absolutely love the smell of this. I'm obsessed to the point that I'm pretty sure I use too much product every time I use this, but I can't help it. What you do is just put it on in the shower and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes instead of using your conditioner. So usually I like to use this on the days that I decide to shave my legs and stuff like that. And I just really like it because it helps with, you know, keeping my hair really healthy and moisturized, especially with me, you know, lightening all this stuff up. And it's really helped my curl pattern stay in my hair because a couple years ago, or maybe it was a year ago, sorry, I'm opening this, I had bleached my hair so bad that I just lost all of my curl and I could not do a single thing with my hair. It was so terrible. So I learned from that mistake, obviously, but as a hairdresser, we like to push our limits on ourselves. So this is like my saving grace, and like I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys. This is worth every single penny. It's super concentrated, so it's gonna last you a while. I believe one of my clients had her product for almost a year, and she just repurchased another one from me, and she said it's absolutely saved her hair so much. So the next thing that I use when I get out of the shower and have my hair damp is this IGK Thirsty Girl Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner 24-hour Frizz Control. The bottle looks just like this. I absolutely love IGK's packaging because it just makes me feel good about myself, and like their packaging is just really unique and different from what you usually see, and I feel like you're getting way more product out of these kind of bottles as well, instead of having, you know, something that you have to like squirt in your hand or whatever, because once it's out, you know, you can't really get much of the rest of the product out. This is obviously, like, you can hear what's in there and everything. So you just spray it on the hair. Can you guys see that like mist? It smells so good because it has that coconut smell in it. So even when I get out of the shower and I use this, it just like refreshes everything and gets me all ready and set for the day. I love this so much because I put this in my hair before I even brush it or anything, and I instantly can feel the results. I use this every time that I get out of the shower. It is good to have a leave-in conditioner, and I love this one. The next thing that I want to talk about is this Redken Frizz Dismiss Smooth Force. Woo! This is a lightweight smoothing lotion spray for fine to medium hair. This is what the bottle looks like. Now this is a sample size. So this is a sample size that I had received at work, and I really like this because it definitely has helped with the frizz in my hair. Now, obviously you can tell there is areas that my hair likes to fray out a little bit more, but if I didn't use this in my hair, you guys would literally see every single flyaway on my head right now. And yes, this is supposed to help with the frizz, but just because mine is so bad, I need a little extra something, so I like to use this. This bottle is almost out, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, but I love that. It's Redkin. Who doesn't love a Redkin product? Sorry if you hear my phone going off. The next thing that I like to use is some kind of oil in my hair, just because I like to have that extra shine and nourishment, and I only put the oil at the ends of my hair because, like I said, I don't wash it every day, so that's gonna gradually soak up into your root area. If you are using an oil and you feel like your hair is just so greasy, it might not be the oil, it might be because you're applying it too close to the scalp. Always apply it down here and it'll continue to work its way up your hair. Now this was something I had originally ordered for my face because I just suffer so badly from dry skin, and it's always good to have an oil for your skin. Little did I know, this is something that you can use on your body, in your hair, and everything else. So this is the Ordinary 100% plant derivative, I cannot say that last word. Here is what the product looks like, and it's nice because it comes with a little dropper, as you guys can see here. And I will just put at least 1 to 2 drops in my hands, rub it through like this, and then just go like this through my hair and scrunch it up. Now I really, really like that because that definitely puts the shine in my hair, but it's also all organic, so I know my hair is getting all the nutrients that it needs just from this product. If I am going to leave my hair naturally curly, which I do basically on a day-to-day basis, what I like to use is this Paul Mitchell Round Trip Liquid Curl Definer. This is what the bottle looks like, and it has a nice pump. Now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna pump just 1 pump out. When it comes out, it looks just like a serum. You see how you guys can't see that? As you play with it and work with it, do you see how it's like turning into a cream almost? I like that because it doesn't leave my hair crunchy like a mousse does. It just helps to define my curls a little bit more, gives me that nice moisture that I need, and I can still wake up the next day if my curls kind of fall out of my hair. Just use a little bit of water, scrunch it through again, and it's like my curls are reactivated from the product. I love the smell of this. It's lightweight, but it definitely has a hold. And like I said, it works from a serum to a cream, which is really, really nice. I use, honestly, about 1 pump to 2 pumps of this. 2 pumps if I'm really feeling crazy, but honestly, I only use 1, and my bottle is still pretty full. So I like this because it's gonna last me a long time, and it was pretty inexpensive. So if you're having trouble, my curly haired people out there, finding a product, I suggest trying this, especially because it goes from a liquid to a cream form, and it doesn't have that crunchy feel. If you're like me, I hate that crunchy feel. I just want my curls to look flawless and effortless, and not like it's stuck in one spot as I like moving my hair and stuff throughout the day. On the days that I don't wash my hair, I don't know why I just had to sing all that. Sometimes I feel like I live Jess's life from New Girl when she sings everything, but that's beside the point. I have another IGK product. This is called the Direct Flight. This is a multitasking dry shampoo. Again, love the packaging. The bottle is massive, and this is one of their lighter weight dry shampoos. They do have 2 others. When these first came out, I just grabbed this one because I like something that's lightweight. I really enjoy this product because I do not get a white cast at all. I have tried so many dry shampoos, and every single one gives me a dry cast. Whether it be from the drugstore, whether it be from me going to Ulta, or if I'm going into the salon store and trying to find something too. This was just on a whim. I grabbed this product because it was new, and I thought, why not? I've tried every other thing out there. What's gonna happen? I literally fell in love with this. It is buildable, so that's nice too. If I'm going 3 or 4 days in between a wash and I put this on the second day, I can go a couple days, and then the last day that I decide to leave my hair unwashed, I can use this again, and it's completely brand new. It gives me my volume that I need back in there, and it also helps to not feel like there's a buildup in there because it is so lightweight, and I really, really like that. So it doesn't feel like you're just piling on product, on product, on product, on product. So if you guys are in the market for a dry shampoo, or you're just fed up with yours because you constantly get a white cast and you have to like rub your head and stuff, I totally get it. Especially being curly like this, you cannot take your brush and run it through your hair, or else your curls are gone. And that dry shampoo, it might be working for you, but your style, you're gonna have to figure something else out. With this, you just spray it in. It doesn't mess with your hair. If you really want to, you can rub it in, but you don't need to because there is no white cast. Next thing that I want to talk to you guys about, which you have obviously just seen in my last video if you watched it. If not, I will link it down below as well. But I fell in love with these IGK Foama Moonrock and Meteor products. This is a foam. I'm sorry, one second. Can you stop, please? Sorry, my cat likes to meow clearly when he wants attention. So anyways, I fell in love with these. I really like this one a lot more than this one. I think it's just because of the lightness in my hair, so I really like how that pink stands out. Plus, I feel like, hey, I'm a pink girl. I mean, obviously, I'm wearing it right now. I had to put these in because these will probably be one of my go-to products, especially in the summer, just to have a unique style to my hair and a different look. I really enjoyed these. The hold is great. It's not messy. It doesn't get on you if you're like touching your hair or something. So many people that day I went into work had complimented me on my hair, asked me where I had gotten the products, where they could get it. Even older women in like their 60s, 70s were reaching out wanting to use it. So with all that feedback, I was like, yes, girl, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Now, since we're talking about hair, I figured I would kind of show you guys some tools that I like to use in my hair, just because I feel like it's something we're not as educated on, and why not tell you guys about it? A lot of people will come to me and say they have breakage underneath, they don't understand what's going on, they are having trouble getting a brush through their hair when they're getting out of the shower, and you know, I don't want you guys to ruin your hair by trying to yank through it or constantly pulling it up tight, and that's causing breakage or whatever it is. Everybody nowadays wants to have gorgeous, healthy looking hair, even with the color and everything like that. One thing I really recommend is getting a wet brush. This is mine. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm sorry if you can see the hair. Mine has two different types of bristles. They have the ones that are up here. This is more of like a smoothing bristle. I got this for my hair just because of the texture that it is. So if I'm combing out my hair or something, it also helps to smooth it out. I'm not gonna do it right now just because I washed my hair this morning. A wet brush honestly helps you cut down so much time. One, you should be starting from down here, working your way up. I'm not gonna say I do it either, so I don't wanna lecture you too much on that, because what person honestly starts from the bottom all the time and works their way up? It's just natural for you to go from your scalp down. I get it. A wet brush though is so nice and gentle on your hair and busts through all of those knots and tangles that you have in a lighter way, especially if you're kind of going like this. So I really recommend getting a wet brush. This one, like I said, has the other bristles to help smooth it out. So there is different kinds of wet brushes, but any one you get honestly will be way better than you just using a regular brush or something like that. These were created for your hair when they are wet, to not cause as much damage and help you get through it really easily. Another thing that I know a lot of us long-haired people, short-haired people, whoever you are out there, like to style your hair. We like to take it into sections. I love these alligator clips just because it holds your hair so much better than I feel like just one of those regular like butterfly clips. I like these because if you take this amount of hair, you can twist it, and it doesn't even have to be perfect. You put it in, it holds. You can literally take all of your hair and twist it up and just pin it back and it holds. Obviously that is not a good example because that was my fault. I didn't put that in there. They're gentle on your hair and they're not taking like the prongs like a butterfly clip and like dragging everything in from the outside. So you're not causing like ripping of the hair by doing that. You're just lightly laying this over and it's grasping everything and holding it, especially with these edges right here. It's definitely gonna help not have, you know, those pieces of hair come out and stuff, which I know you just saw, but yeah. I totally recommend all of my clients to get it, especially because I get so many girls in my chair who want the white blonde balayage, but they put their hair up all the time and they're doing all this stuff, and you know, everything factors into how your hair is. But one thing I recommend are these, let me take this off. Okay, the InvisiBobble right here. And then this is what the hairband looks like. I have bought 2 packages of these because I like them so much. The first one I got were clear, and then the next one I got were these ones because I thought they were cute. I got them around Christmas, so I thought they'd be festive. Now, I like these because literally with this one being so small, all I have to do is take my hair like this, and because mine is so much thicker, I only need to usually put this in my hair once. Now, because I had just used this from the gym, it's a little bit worn out. It does go back to its size, but you just put it in there twice and then go like this. It literally gives you a voluminous ponytail or bun or whatever you're doing. It doesn't pull everything back super tight. You're not having to twist it 4 or 5 times to get that good hold in there just because of the way this is shaped. It's grabbing those hairs a little bit more, and I never have to take my hair out and redo it and take my hair out and redo it because sometimes you feel your ponytail slips and stuff like that. I recommend these because I know, just like a lot of other people out there, I was one to pull my hair up on the top of my head and have it as tight as I could. And yes, this is also for my haircut, but this is why we all get this breakage under here, because we like to pull our hair super tight so that way it stays out of our face and we're not having to mess with it for the rest of the day. So if you guys are out, get a package of these. There's 3 that comes in them, and I will link it down below. You can get them on Amazon, I'm sure, for cheap, but these have been a lifesaver for me, and I've noticed less and less breakage in my hair since I bought these, and I've had them now for about 6 months. That is it, you guys. I know that I kind of rambled on a little bit. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do upload every single week, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.